find. So we find data with emails and URLs. You don't need an API. We put the AI in there. We use RAG, semantic search, and we basically make you talk to your own data right now. So
Okay, super.
we built our own vector database too to work on that.
So the first of 5 questions is, it's a fairly broad question, but what are some broad industry trends you're observing with growing and emerging companies? Let's start towards the end here.
So there's a lot. So the problems that, the things that we're seeing is that we have a diverse pool of talent around the country, right? So one of our, even though some of us are, for our AI company, we're all local, but we never get together. Oh, sorry.
Thanks, Charles.
You're welcome.
We have a diverse pool of talent here for our AI legal tech startup. We're all local here in New York, actually, but we don't see each other ever, right? So the hybrid work model kind of hurts us a little bit, but that's a trend that we're seeing where no one really wants to come together, and kind of hurts us a little bit in our growth model because it's almost out of sight, out of mind sometimes. There is I think the hype cycle of AI is sort of hitting its peak right now, and that's a little bit of a trend where everybody thinks it's AI, and AI should be, my definition of AI is not artificial intelligence, it's applied imagination. Try to find a focus point for what you're doing with AI and then run with it. The governance and what you do with AI, how you train your model is really important as we're building our company also. I think those are really areas we're focused on is the trend we're